How to fix Gnaughty Gnomes crashing on Steam. So first you will need to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties window. Now in the properties panel in the general tab you want to add -dx11 to the launch options box. Go to the installed files after that and click on verify integrity of game files. And once this validation process is done, you can close Steam. Next, you will need to open up a new browser tab and then search for Redist. Click on the first Microsoft link and then scroll down to this second table here and make sure to download the 86 and the 64 and install both of these on your Windows. Once you finish installing these, it will ask you to reboot your computer. And if you have them already installed, you should see a repair button that you can press to repair existing installation. Now, after the computer restart, you want to make sure also that you have latest graphics card updates installed. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you will need to download and install NVIDIA app, and then use this app to install drivers by going to the drivers tab from here and select Game Ready Driver. Check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest available Game Ready driver. For AMD, you can use the AMD software. Now all you need to do is start Steam as admin before running the game. Right click on Steam, run as admin, and then go to your library and launch the game from here. And this should fix the crashing problems. Thanks for watching and subscribe.